So you ever go out and buy one of those cheap random flat jacks for your Harley on the interwebs from Bezos Bucks or whatever? Well, I did. And I've got my 2002 Harley Davidson Super Glide, the FXD that I own in here. And I've got one of these random OMT jacks from Amazon to go and jack up my bike. And it's blue. I don't know, it's thick steel. It says 1,100 pounds on it, so we'll see. And I'm gonna show you how to jack it up. I'll throw down the cheaper creeper here and show you where to jack it up, or at least where I jack it up. So after you fall on your keys, and you get your jack, because like, yeah, let's say you're doing the front, because we're doing the front right now, and you see there's stuff underneath there in my area where I want to put my jack, because I just want to jack up the front and by myself. Where you get your thing, you know, because this jack came with a 22mm socket made out of the finest chromium vanadium, and I'm going to use a 3/8 drive ratchet to do this, not because it's the only thing that I have, it's because it's the only thing that you dirtbags have. And I'm going to grab myself a piece of wood here. It's like 12 inches long. It's like 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, 12 inches long. Stick it underneath the front of my bike so that I don't smash anything, you know, like the front motor mount on a Dyna and the clutch cable, for example, on a Dyna right here, dangling. Got my little keeper falling off there. That's okay. Not a big deal. And get it all sized up before you jack it up. Before you jack it up. Check. And start cranking. And it's going to stand up. And I'll bring you guys over here, because this is the more business end of it now. So don't forget your keys you fell on the ground when you're doing this. And mind the handlebars. And once you started, the bike's going to start to stand up on its own. So usually I rest on the foot peg or the footboard. Sometimes you can hold onto the handlebar, but most of the time I just let the handlebar go. Once the weight starts to get off the kickstand, I check, making sure that the board is not going. I showed everybody up and I showed everybody down, but I didn't show you guys what it looks like when it's sitting on the jack, what it should look like. You shouldn't be on your front motor mount, particularly right there. It'll ruin it for you. And as far as touching the frame rails, you can see how it's about 12 inches between either side. So you might want to make a longer bumper. But I usually guide myself by the foot peg. Golly, it's dirty there. Whose bike? What? Jeez. Anyhow, yeah. But that's the way it's going to sit. And you want to be mindful, like I said, too, about your clutch cable. It's there. You can go and, like, check while it's underneath there. Make sure that you're not pinching it. And you can move it. It's going to press it, but it shouldn't pinch it. Well, that's all I really had. I just wanted to show you that. Everybody gets these. I never really show anybody how to do anything with them. Just kind of assume. Don't forget to pick up your keys that you fell on when you're doing this. And if you guys like it, then I'll show you a video how to jack up the back by yourself. So give me a like, or if you hated it, then give me a comment and tell me how you can do it better. Thanks.